decided I want to go to 7-Eleven, so I'm going to. I have no idea how long this camera's going to last. Charged it. That's already covered in water. Holy crap. Okay. This is pretty sweet, if I do say so myself. I wonder if 7-Eleven's even open. I live in Massachusetts, and they just put up a driving ban past 4 p.m. That was a while ago. They had some kind of dispensation for important things. I don't know what they were, but I got nothing. About 8 seconds before it gets covered in more snow. My mom suggested to me that I go and take a picture of this. I wish I had my friend's old camera, but she sold it. It was a really good camera. Now the wind is facing me. This is nice. My pants are falling down because I forgot to put on a belt. I can't even see. There's a 7-Eleven like I'm pointing right at it. I can't even see if the lights are on. Oh, this is impressive. Oh. I will be very surprised if 7-Eleven's open right now. Oh, I can see the sign coming into focus. I have no idea how well the camera can see things. And now it has a kind of a low light sensitivity problem. Vehicle. Running around. Brave dude. I'm walking around in like 6 inches of snow on the road. Good times. Really should have had a belt. I don't know what this dude's trying to do, but I guess he decided not to come this way. It was like a wall. It was like looks like they plowed the rotary, but not this road. This road has absolutely no plowing, and this road has some kind of plowing. Now, when I just walked over there, it wasn't a curb or a sidewalk or anything. That's the road. But there appears to be artificial barriers created by snowplows. This is very interesting. Now, I know from the past that 7-Eleven doesn't allow people to videotape in the store, so I have to go back in the pocket while I get some stuff. Maybe the camera will survive the trip. Recording? Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Oh, okay. Come around. Okay. Well, like 4 feet of snow, or just like it through. Oh, my scar. Ground again. say, never been in an actual blizzard before. This is really cool though. It's hard to tell how much is falling. I mean, I'm easily walking through a foot right now. There's lots of drift. And we're back to my street. Crossing the road. Almost falling. I'm like 8 feet from my house. Hi Liz. How are you? Are you sure you're skiing? Good job. We're back. I wear gloves. Completely.
Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You like to have dreads. You like to have braids.
This is Liz.
Oh,
Covered in
man.
snow. With my beard covered in snow.
Yeah. Get your hair.